And the players will also enjoy playing here. Memphis is a fun-loving city with great barbecue and a lot of carrots.
That free throw misses. 2022. What a year for Golden State. Another NBA title.
Unbelievable. From the worst record in the league, climbing back on top, getting their big three healthy. Man, as long as you have a healthy Steph Curry, I think we're going to have a chance to get there. What a run they were on.
Yeah, and we hear this a lot about the Grizzlies.
Okay, so kung makikita nyo, meron din tayong NBA dito. So,
There's no team in the NBA that has more reason for optimism than Memphis.
Wiggins finds Curry. And it's John Morant with the foul.
so yan yung NBA natin. So, playable yan sa through Windows natin, through Windows, Windows game natin, okay? So, nandito lahat yung sa package, sa arcade. Okay. Okay, ito pala yung Tekken 8 tap sa package natin. O, kasama to sa package natin pag order kayo ng basic package.